If your Roblox audio keeps failing, follow these steps to fix it and get your audio in the game. First, log into Roblox Studio or the Roblox website with the correct account. Go to Create, then Audio, and select your audio file. Make sure the file is in a supported format like MP3, OGG, or WAV and under the file size limit, as unsupported formats cause upload failures. Next, check the audio content. Ensure it does not contain copyrighted material or prohibited sounds. Confirm the file name does not have special characters. Roblox will reject uploads that violate these rules. After verifying the format and content, try uploading the audio again. If it still fails, refresh the page or log out and log back in. As a last resort, try a different browser or contact Roblox support with the file and error details. That's how to fix a Roblox audio upload failed issue.